Hey, do you want to learn how to create template in hosting a Reach email newsletter? In this video, I'm going to help solve a problem. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and let's get to it. And there is template. So you can create a new template by clicking over here. On the left-hand side, you've got this AI prompt builder. So you can use these 3 prompts here. You can start to create a template on newsletter, educational content, or promotion and sales. If you've got some other use case that you want to add, you just need to come up with a prompt and ask Reach to. Here, you need to type the prompt. So I'm going to first try out the welcome newsletter. And this is what it's going to create on the bottom in the prompt bar. Here in these brackets, I think you can put in your value or topics. And over here, your highlights for newcomers, you can just change it. Here I've done it. I've added tech and gaming fixes for the topics, and for the link, include helpful links and popular products. I've just entered in my website link. So let's see what it creates. Let's click here to generate it. And Hosting a Reach has started to make this newsletter template based on this prompt that we added. All right, so it's generated, and I can ask the AI on the left-hand side to add or remove things inside a newsletter template. I can also edit the content on the top here by clicking on this button. And then I've got the manual change capability. So I can click and edit. For example, I will click here and add one like that. If you want to edit the icons inside here, you can do that as well. To get those icons, you can go over to Emojipedia. For example, I'm going to use this fire one. I'm going to copy it from here. Go back and just highlight it. So click and drag to highlight this, and then press on Ctrl+V on your keyboard to add it. And there you go. We have now added our emoji, our icon on it. If I click on a text like this, I've got this text format bar on bottom. I can align the text like this. I've got bold, italic, etc. I can make this text bold, make it italic, change the color of it, as well as delete this text from here by clicking on this pin icon. You will not be able to remove this sent with Hosting a Reach for now. You have to pay for a plan in order to do it. There's a unsubscribe link. So it will be added to every email so that it can meet the legal requirements. All right. They can unsubscribe from your list by clicking on that button. You can change these links here. So visit website, contact us and support. You just need to click on it. And then you've got this button link. So you can click here to add your link and save it. And just like this, all these other buttons, you can click on it and then you can change stuff around. You've also got the button link again for this button. Change the link and save it. So that was for editing the template. So I'm going to go back to the chat, save and go to chat. You can also click here to save changes, or you can reset the changes if you want. Then you'll see this template saved, and we'll go back to the chat. Now on the left-hand side, I'm going to ask the AI some things. For example, I want to change this yellow on top, something like this. Change yellow header background on top to white and text inside the header to black. Let's also add color here and then click on this generate button. So there you go. It has now changed the header to white background and also the text to black by just commanding the AI on the left-hand side. Now it has given us some suggestions here to add a special welcome discount code. So we're going to try that out. I'm going to add that over here in the prompt bar. Going to click on send. And there you go. On the right hand side, if I scroll down, this is my exclusive discount code that I've added for new customers. So this is a welcome newsletter that they get when they subscribe to my newsletter. And this is their discount code. You can add this code in your AI website builder discount code page, and then they can use this discount. Let's also try to add this second one. And I think with the free plan, you can send up to 20 messages per month, or I think it's one time. I'm not sure about that, but I read somewhere that you can send 20 messages with this AI on the left-hand side. It's currently not described anywhere. Usually with Hosting a Horizons, it would show up over here on the bottom of this prompt bar. You've got this many messages left, etc. So that's not here on Hosting a Reach. So it has added this testimonial video. So we're going to check it out. I'm going to scroll down. So what it did was it added this customer testimonial page, these three text here. We can change it. If we want to change it, we can change it. So we can just say, I'm going to try this out. I'm going to add this prompt here, add to first testimonial. So this is the first testimonial. You can specify which one you want to change. So I can say second testimonial or third testimonial. So here I'm testing out with the first one. I've added add to first testimonial, and this is the message that is going to go over here. Change author to Clara, which is going to be here, and subtitle, which is below it. So gaming enthusiast. Instead of that, I'm going to add SMB owner. So let's click here and see if it does change it or not. You could also just click on edit content on the top and change it manually if you want to not waste credits. All right, so it has now done it. You can see here on the right hand side, if I scroll down, this is my first testimonial. And what I asked to add, it has added it. Also changed the author to Clara and subtitle to SMB owner. Now that's great. This is the desktop view. And if you want to change it to how it would look like on mobile for your users, you can click here on the top to change it to the mobile version. And then you can see here, this is how your subscriber list would see your emails on their mobile. All right, before we create the campaign, on the left hand side, we've got expand sidebar, create a new template. You can just create a new template from here. And you can also go back to the dashboard by clicking on this button. You've got expand sidebar. So this is where I found that you've got these 15 messages left. I think I saw this before, like I said before, for 20 messages. This is where I saw it. So it's 15 messages left. And you can buy it anytime by clicking over here. So let's click on it. And it's going to take you over to hpanel.hostinger.com/reach-messages. On it, you can get more Hostinger Reach AI messages. They've got these three plans here. You can opt for 10 messages, 50 messages, or 25 messages. This is basically $3, $6, and $9 for each of them. So for 10 messages, you can get it for $3. For 50, it should be like $9. And for 25 messages, should be like $6. It's a one-time payment. It's not a subscription. And it's different from your Hostinger Reach plans. So let's say I want to get this. I'm going to click here. Here you can choose a payment method. It could be PayPal or card. And once done, click on choose payment method. Then just fill in your card details and make a payment. And then it's going to increase the count here to, let's say if you did 50 messages, it's going to make it 65. So that is how you can get the messages. Find my other Hostinger Reach tutorials on the right hand side. See you there.